Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce Roomtodo. It's a free online interior design service. This is my first ever pitch on the stage, so please be merciful. Okay, I think that many of you faced a task or a problem when you moved to a new apartment or bought a new house or just plan to make a refreshment in the existing apartment. It's a task to create an interior design of your future home. And this is quite a tricky task because usually you buy furniture in one place, wallpapers in another, or flooring in the third one, and how to combine it, it could be quite a complex task. So I also believe that you used different solutions for that. And all of existing solutions, they have their problems. I doubt that you found really cool one. Professional designers, it's expensive. Different offline software is also complicated. And there is one biggest problem here, is that all of existing offline and online services have a very small catalog. I could say even teeny catalog comparing to real products which exist on the market. So this is extremely simple scam, shows how we are going to solve this problem with filling the catalog of with real products from real manufacturers. We produce an online service and give it for free for all customer groups who exist here. They build it into their websites and fill the global catalog from their websites. And products go to the global catalog and then go back to everyone who wants to use it. Thus, users will have something like that. That's a real screenshot from a real program. And we would like to change the customer behavior by buying furniture and the products for interior. Just design, choose, and then play in Roomtodo, and then buy. Here is the monetization. So, thank you.
What's difficult to replicate in what you've built?
To replicate in our, well, we have several advantages in programming. I mean that our service creates, from technical point of view, it creates very precise planning. So when you build it inside our program, you have very precise measurements of all your rooms, lengths, widths, everything is exactly like it exists in the real. And we have cost estimation tool, which gives you numbers of how much square meters of what you have to get. This is really not very simple task because it's a 3D mathematics, and we have a doctor of physics who is working on that in our team.
So just to make sure I understand, you have an online tool that visualizes in 3D a space that you put together and then puts furniture from an online catalog of aggregated from lots of online catalogs into that space so you can see.
Exactly. Not only furniture, but all products which could be used in the interior design. It's wallpapers, flooring, lighting.
And you can do this without having access to 3D designs from these manufacturers?
Well, most of, let's say, good companies, they already building their products in 3D first, in CAD, different CAD software. And then,
but they have to give them to you. You can't just pull automatically from the
internet. Yeah, sure. We are building a tool for integration.
Hold it down for a second.
For me, it sounds like from the police that you are under arrest. You know, when this.
You're not under arrest yet. Hold down the button. And wait a second.
Well, for sure, we investigated that problem. And for example, there are a lot of manufacturers who create in their models of their products and give it for free for downloading for Google SketchUp, for example. Or they also have it in CAD and have it for free on their websites because they are interested in widely spreading their products around people. And designers, they are also have some advantages by using this service because they could give designers like to get a good task from the customer. And customer creating task on the paper. Sometimes they even can't set the task right. And here, designer can give this program to the customer and say, just make a sketch in 3D in this very simple program and just show me what you want. And I will create you a professional render. So this is also a way how to use it. And we really face this problem that sometimes the designers are really very tired of customers, questions.
One more question over here.
Two or three quick questions. How far have you got so far?
So what is already done?
What have you built?
Well, we built a prototype which works on 4 partners' websites on the big living complexes who sells flats. And real users go there and design their flats in 3D on those websites. So we are generating a small traffic from there now and testing.
Which geographic market are you targeting?
Global, for sure, because the problem is more global. We are starting
So your platform is in English now?
in 3 languages. It's small platform, so we translate it easily into 3 languages. So its English version is also present.
Okay, because I mean, if you're going to do this here, it's not going to work. Because there's no furniture e-commerce that you can do here the way you are setting up. But if you do in US, then you might have a chance. Have you looked into the project House? House.
House?
Yes.
House 3D, I know.
No, House. I mean, because in House, you don't really have to go through the trouble of designing. You get the inspiration, immediately you can just pick the pieces and buy the pieces from that particular room that you saw as an inspiration. It's an easier, on the user side, it's easier. Just look into it. Maybe we'll give you some
sure.
ideas.
For now, we have a technical demo. And the marketing way how to use it, there are several marketing ways. So we are we are looking for different ways and now testing one approach. If it will not work, we will test another approach. But this is really flexible product.
Okay, thank you very much. Why don't you guys hold that? You can give me that. Good luck.